Chini media friends rong no. Jeng tini Tripura Student Federation engage jeng press meet asong mani komai si. Jeng kedung mas hal rong go chini demand ne rong nugu ni tongo. 50 years plus chini demand. Roman script. Kokborok subject hai ke language so implement khai gan bagi chini movement. Jeng taksuk jora chini movement jeng thagya goi choya goi jeng khai ni tong. Thangnai talnai sekang jeng nukha. Jeng TSF ni engage jeng governor of state jeng memorandum ya farka. Jeng aro chini appeal te chini request jeng phunukha je immediately chini o demand no rogani bagai. Talnai lai thangka jeng mungsa nugya. Mungsa respond hai ke positive result jeng nugya. Government of the state jeng kha khai chini sakawo borok belai no sak nang ya hanang penang khai tongmani jeng nukha. Omo chini bagai lachi sengsa. Chini dofani bagai lachi sengsa. Jeng TSF 50 years rongoi jeng dofani bagai samung khai pai tongo. Dofani kahani bagai. Omo chini joto chini borok ni bagai lachi ma sengsa si. Jeng taksuk jora hanang pinang khai ja tongmani. Chini demands. Omo jeng ke no koi gei hai ke segai nagani jeng saya. Omo ka chini rights chini manthai. Omo jeng busi thai. Chini student rok jeng nirong no bo koi nai. Omo nirong ni rights. Te Tripura hastini borok nirong busi thai. Jeng nirong ni bagai fight khai tongo noi. Boni bagai jeng TSF taksuk jora khorang ti saima tongo. Jeng je mansak chini dofani bagai jeng khainai. Chini students chini borok ni bagai jeng saktari samung khaina tongo. Take as a point jeng Government of India no jeng appeal khainai 125 amendment bill Parliament House of place ngang thang immediately. O kani demand otoi gei jeng tini press meet asok manengge. Jeng nukha government of the state and government of India jeng no sak nang yang tongmani. Tangai jeng 50 years rongoi o demands. Omo chini koksi. Chini koksi omo. Jeng tangai chini kok no ba je sui thai no jeng 50 years rongoi jeng sanga nang tong khana. Amo jeng busi thai. Boni bagai jeng Monday 28 of August 2023 12 hours di bagai Tripura haste ganangai jeng strike da khogo. Boni bagai Tripura haste ni borok no te chini student rok no o strike no successful khaiga ni bagai jeng nirong ni support nanggo. Omongkha chini demand jeng TSF ni simi demand ya Tripura haste luku joto no omo chini manthai chini future generation students rok omo nirok ni rights te nirok ni demand jeng nirok ni bai fight khai tongo. Nirok ni participate nirok ni support jeng nanggo. Ang appeal khainai joto organization joto student organization of all different student organization I appeal you all to participate in this movement. Government rok jeng no sak nang yang tongka. Jeng request khai busi ni khorang khana jagliya. Boni bagai jeng o je step mana horkha. Jeng governor no jeng request khai ka boka. Haifana jeng nukha jeng no mungsa respond rohiya. 125 amendment bill House of Place ngang thang. Aro kebangma points tongo ang brief haika thangliya. Boni bagai ang jotono no koinai all the strike no successful khaigani bagai participate khaigani bagai students thang civil society thang angni rong appeal khainai sungni rong ni support nango among kasini future generation ni bagai sung fight khai tongo boni bagai ni rong ni hamjak ma ni rong ni support sung nango TSF ni ngai ni rong no sung asung no kok kacharnai Monday wo sini strike no success khaigani bagai sung ni rong ni thani koimung rohoro TSF ni ngai asung no hambai Busilian in common 13 sorry boni bagai sung mas step mana nira afro no khana sung sring tonglia baksa sona sagai mana sung sring tongana hana aifana we are very much careful of what the government of the states are doing to our students boni bagai sung o step mana sung sring tongya sung zora rozak government no boni bagai 2 months light thangka bon bai sung tini o step mana chini road block sung hezamara nini hatai kotor monu bisramganj sung o kaibri jagao chini road blockage tona an logo tongo an president Mr. Samrat Chief Organizing Secretary Mr. Bibas Publicity and Information Secretary Mr. Birgu sini town committee ni boni bagai ni angte sing koikha sung nirok joto public te student ni support na sung joto no pal box ke khorang ti sakha angke sung kha sini o demand fulfilling ana haifana sung oro kha khek laigai sak nangyanggai sung o strike no hai o demand no sung support khaya tong khangke chini bagai ni hayang sini students rong no problem ok laine samo clear ke sung nugun to boni bagai sung ni rong no koimung omon narak nai o strike no success khage ni bagai sung no support khage ni bagai we are here with the President Federation TSF. We are blessed that we are here today. We on behalf of the President Federation, we are sitting a press meet. With me is the President of the Federation, Mr. Samrat, and Chief Organizing Secretary, Mr. Bibas, and Publicity and Information Secretary, Mr. Birgu, and our divisional leaders. Today, we see the press meet. We all know the demand of TSF since very long, the 50 years demand. 2 months ago, we submitted a memorandum to the governor of Tripura demanding Roman script to be implemented in the state. We can see, it's already past 2 months, but there is no response from the government side. We are worried why the government is showing so negligence towards the people of Tripura. There is a reason we need to see the press meet today here. We have warned and requested several times the government of Tripura to listen to our demand and the student demands. We can see the negligence. And secondly, we demand the government of India to put a 125 amendment bill in the House of Parliament immediately. These are our demands. For all this reason, we the Tripura Student Federation, one of the oldest student organization in the state of Tripura, we called a 12-hour strike on Monday, 28th of August 2023, which will affect the statewide. And we demand the people to participate in this movement. We believe that this is the movement of the people and the students, demanding Roman script for kokborok oral language. The government of Tripura, we believe they are totally deaf and blind. The demand of the indigenous people, we are not against any community. For 50 years, we have been demanding the Roman script. 2 months ago, we have submitted and requested the governor. We have no response. For this all reason, we urge the people of the state and the student organization and the civil society to support this demand and make it successful, so that the government of the state and government of India will definitely bound to give our demands. And we are not begging our demand. It is our rights which has to be given. I believe the people of state will be very kind enough to support us, and we are a peace-loving people. We want the strike to be successful and peace be remain in the state of Tripura. That's all. Thank you very much. 12 hours, which will affect from 28 morning till 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Statewide?
Yes, statewide.
Do you think or do you believe that this strike?
Can you please come nearby?
It's okay. Do you believe that this strike, demand that you have, the memorandum is submitted to the governor, fulfill this one?
See, we have submitted a memorandum, we all know. I believe the people of the state also very much aware about what we have done in the past. There is a reason we are calling a strike. We will be writing to the Honorable Prime Minister of India as well and the Home Minister. If our demand is not success, we will definitely see our student organization and our federation will look into the matter again. But for now, we are calling a 12-hour strike within the state of Tripura. Anything else more?
What type of strike? That means the traffic, etc., or office, kachari, etc., will be stopped.
Okay. See,
what type of strike?
Strike will define in this way for us. Everything, let it be office, school, even the public transport, everything will be stopped.
Everything?
Yes.
Emergency?
Not emergency, but we call a strike. It's not that the school will remain closed and even the offices. So that is our strike. Anything else?
Have there any propaganda? That means only tomorrow is left for you. Have there any propaganda? That means any announcement like that all over state?
See, we have given sufficient time to the government. I have already mentioned, we have submitted a memorandum to the governor and even approached the chief minister of the state.
It is another thing, whatever I am telling to you, that means about strike, you need some announcement like that all over Tripura, like that means day after tomorrow.
We have asked the government, okay. So, we have given several memorandum and several movement has been done. So, we have no option. And there is no question to announce in the state. It is our duty and to raise the grievances of the people and the students. So I believe that, and we as a student organization believe that there is no need of announcement and requesting the government again for calling a strike. So it is our call that we are calling a 12-hour strike on 28th of August. So that is final.
Just now you are depending on our people. That means just now you are announcing this announcement. So tomorrow is left for you.
Yes.
So are you any type of plan? Any plan of you? That means tomorrow you are going to announcement, miking, etc., to know all the people all over state to conduct strike day after tomorrow.
So that means you are talking about the announcement within the publics and in the roads, right? See, the announcement will be done.
Is it not necessary? That means to know all the people.
That's why we are having a press meet, right? And we are saying we are having a press meet right now. And we will call, and we will definitely do a miking also.
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay, so
tomorrow.
don't worry on that.
Tomorrow. That
So-
means we can write like that. That
Yes.
means you are going to miking tomorrow like that. Okay.
But we are calling a strike, right?
Okay.
Okay. So there is no doubt. We will
Okay,
see.
clear.
That's all. Anything else more?
আচ্ছা একটু ছোট করে বাংলাতে বলে ভালো হয় এখানে সব বাংলা চ্যানেল আছে